Hi, my name is Tynlee Jones, and I'm a senior at Timberland High School in Winsville, Missouri. The topic of socialization in college has been in the forefront of my mind as I'm applying to schools thousands of miles away from my friends and family. As I think about starting over in a new city and developing a new social network, here are a few things I plan on implementing. First, I have to make an effort to reach out to others and not wait for them to make the first move. I have to remember that most people are in the same situation as me, and by doing that, it will make me more confident in stepping out of my comfort zone to befriend others. Knowing who I am as a person and simply being willing to listen and to learn from others will allow me to stay open-minded and not shy away from new experiences and opinions. Most importantly, putting down my phone and making more of an effort to have face-to-face conversations with people will allow my connections to grow and to strengthen. Social media is a great tool to meet new people, but realizing that there's more to someone than how they seem behind a screen is the first step to making lifelong friendships. Remembering these things will make the transition to college life so much more enjoyable. By putting myself out there and staying open-minded, and just simply putting down technology, making new friends will be a breeze.